Canada quietly changed immigration in 2025, and 2026 will feel very different. If you're planning Canada PR in 2026, here's something important you need to know. Most people think the big changes start in 2026, but the truth is, Canada rewired its immigration system quietly throughout 2025. And those changes are already deciding who will succeed and who will struggle next year. Let's break down what actually changed and why it matters for you. Express entry is no longer about job offers. One of the biggest shifts in 2025 was express entry removing extra CRS points for job offers. Earlier, an LMI-backed offer could almost guarantee an ITA. Now, IRCC is clearly saying skills, language ability, education, and Canadian experience matter more than paperwork. Category-based selection became the new core. In 2025, Express entry fully moved toward targeted selection, not general draws. Healthcare was expanded to include social services. Education became a brand new category. Transport occupations were removed. And toward the end of the year, IRCC announced a dedicated category for physicians with Canadian experience, setting the tone for 2026. International students face tighter controls. Canada also tightened rules for international students. Post-graduation work permit eligibility was linked more closely to fields of study, discouraging low-demand programs. Spousal open work permits were restricted to advanced and high-skilled pathways. And students can no longer freely change institutions without updating permits. At the same time, degree programs were protected, showing Canada still wants long-term talent, but with better planning. Provincial nominee programs became sharper and smaller. Early in 2025, provinces saw major PNP allocation cuts that forced provinces to pause streams, cap intakes, and focus heavily on healthcare, trades, childcare, essential regional roles. Later in the year, some capacity was restored, but PNPs are now far more selective and region-specific than before. Compliance became non-negotiable. Canada also tightened rules around maintained status, medical exams, and documentation. Upfront medical exams are now required for many express entry applicants. Maintained status loopholes were closed, and work permit flexibility was selectively improved, not broadly expanded. This signals one thing: well-prepared applications matter more than ever. What this means for 2026: Canada's immigration system is no longer about volume. It's about occupation alignment, clean documentation, strategic pathway selection, and timing your moves correctly. Conclusion: if you're planning PR, work permits, or study in Canada in 2026, this is not the year to guess. Immigration is becoming sharper, faster, and more selective. And the right strategy now can save you years later. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.